How to turn off Spotify Shuffle. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn up Spotify Shuffle. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Spotify application. Once you do that, you will be appear with the home page of Spotify. Now what you can do is go ahead to your library section and select any playlist. For instance, I have selected this. As you can see here, there are many songs. I have tapped on this song. So in order to turn up Spotify Shuffle, what you're gonna do is simply tap on that cross icon with the arrow on. Once you tap on it, the Spotify Shuffle will be on, and once you again tap on it, the Spotify Shuffle will be turned off. So this is how easily you can turn up Spotify Shuffle. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.